Join me as I dive into the hidden truths of flying into Bora Bora that no one ever talks about. In this video, we will uncover the truths about flying into Bora Bora, from the stunning views to the logistics that can catch you off guard. Many travelers are unaware of the potential hurdles they might face when booking flights and landing on this remote island paradise. Booking flights to Bora Bora can be a complex process, requiring careful planning and attention to detail. One of the biggest challenges is finding suitable flights, as there are limited options available, especially during peak season. Additionally, the island's remote location means that any changes to your flight schedule can have a significant impact on your travel plans. Furthermore, understanding the nuances of inter-island flights and boat transfers is crucial to avoid confusion and stress upon arrival. It's essential to do your research and plan ahead to ensure a smooth and enjoyable journey. Flights to Bora Bora are usually operated by Air Tahiti, the local airline, which offers connections from Tahiti's FAA International Airport. Depending on the time of year and your travel schedule, you may need to book a domestic flight from Tahiti to Bora Bora, which can be a challenge in itself. Be prepared for possible delays and cancellations, especially during the rainy season, and have a backup plan in place. We will explore the various routes to Bora Bora, the importance of planning your arrival, and what to expect in terms of airport facilities and transportation options. One of the most critical aspects of flying into Bora Bora is understanding the different routes and airlines that operate in the region. From international flights to inter-island connections, each leg of your journey requires careful planning and attention to detail. Whether you're flying from Los Angeles or Auckland, knowing the best routes and airlines can make all the difference to your travel experience. Air Tahiti operates multiple daily flights from Tahiti to Bora Bora, with each flight taking around an hour. The airline offers different classes of service, including economy and business, although be prepared for limited amenities and in-flight entertainment. Upon arrival, you'll be greeted with stunning views of the turquoise lagoon and coral reefs, making the journey well worth it. The key moment will highlight a common mistake many travelers make that can lead to frustration and delays upon arrival. One of the most critical mistakes travelers make when flying to Bora Bora is failing to plan their arrival and transportation in advance. Many resorts and hotels are only accessible by boat, so it's essential to book your transfers ahead of time to avoid delays and confusion. Don't assume that your accommodation provider will arrange everything for you. Take charge and plan your arrival to ensure a seamless start to your island getaway. Not having a clear understanding of the airport facilities and transportation options available can lead to frustration and delays. Be prepared for limited amenities at the airport, including food and drink options, and have a plan in place for your onward journey. Whether you're heading to a resort or exploring the island, knowing what to expect can make all the difference to your travel experience. Additionally, many travelers underestimate the time it takes to get to their final destination, which can be frustrating if you're not prepared. By planning your arrival and transportation in advance, you can avoid the stress and uncertainty that comes with traveling to a remote island paradise. To wrap up, we will summarize the essential tips and insights shared throughout the video to ensure you have a smooth and enjoyable arrival in Bora Bora. By doing your research, planning your arrival, and understanding the nuances of flying to Bora Bora, you can avoid the common mistakes many travelers make and start your island getaway on the right foot. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our other travel guides and let us know your experiences in the comments below.